What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
I was playing Roblox with my friends, and then I got really mad in the game, so I threw it at the blanket, and then I missed the blanket, so it fell on the floor, and I bent it. Do you think it's fixable? Can you
It's bent
fix
too? Oh my gosh. Wow. Don't worry. I got you. We're gonna deep clean this as well. Look at this. And this case too. Watch until the end to see this sick process. Look at that. Surgery time. His battery is pregnant too. Can you tell? How swollen is this one compared to this? Your iPad is ready, sir. Now it's good to go and you're all set.
Wow, this looks amazing. Thank you so much. You
You're
even fixed the vent.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, good job.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New